welcome to another episode of
FilAmstagram!
We have a great episode for you today. Today we're going to show you how to make shirts. We've been doing shirts for a few years now, so we've got it down to a science. And recently we've been doing sublimation, which is a type that brings the ink right into the shirt, and it's a permanent, fixture on the shirt. But today we're doing something different.
Today we're going to show you how we're going to do vinyl. So this is a roll of vinyl. We have a design that gets cut into the vinyl using this machine. This is a Silhouette Cameo 3. And once it's cut, it goes into the heat press and gets permanently pressed onto the shirt. Watch us as we explain the process, and maybe this might be that perfect business idea for you.
Okay, let's go!
Let's go! Yay! Okay, now we're gonna load the vinyl into the machine. Make sure it aligns perfectly. And press go. Alright. Okay, so here's the fun part. This is called weaving. Okay, now we're going to send this through the machine for the text.
Please subscribe, yeah. Don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, and now we're ready to put them both on a shirt. So that's how it's gonna look.
Okay, so Bing and Miriam usually do the artistic and aesthetic stuff, right? The beautiful stuff. I do the grunt work. So we're cutting out the last part of the vinyl here so it fits on the shirt and underneath the plate of the heat press, so nothing pokes up or out. So we got that cut out. Now we just have to line it up. So we're gonna tape down here to the best of our ability, making sure it's, you know, square onto the shirt. Sometimes that can be a little tricky. So we're gonna tape this on to the best of my ability here. And we have the heat press heating up, so we'll get it on the table next. Okay, I think we're ready to press it. There we have it. Does it look like it's ready to be pressed?
Oh, yes.
Okay, I'm gonna get that heat press. Alright, we got the heat press up here now. You just have to get it on. So every part that needs to be pressed is underneath the heat plate. The heat plate's on the top here. So when we swing it over and press down, we want to make sure that all that heat is on top of everything that needs to get pressed in. So here we go. This is our 9x12 heat press. It's big enough for this, so this is the one we're using. Okay, so next we're going to grab our Teflon, put it over everything, keep everything safe. And we're going to press this at about 170 degrees Celsius, which is about 315 to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, I think. And we're going to press it for about 20 seconds on one side, and then we're going to flip it inside out and press it again for another 20 seconds again. So here we go. I forgot my timer, but I think I can count to 20 seconds. So.
Let's help Tate count. Let's help Tate count the 20
Here
seconds.
we go. We're going to press it. Okay. 20. All right. Oh, there we go.
Miriam, no!
Okay, so we did that. Miriam rushed over and tried to lift up the top. We've been trying to teach her. She can't go near these. It's one of those dangerous aspects. It's very, very hot. She doesn't understand how badly she can burn herself. Alright, turn it inside out. So for this type of vinyl, I think it's going to need a cold peel because there's different types. There's different thicknesses and thinnesses, and this type's a little bit thicker, I think, so it'd be better for us to wait for it to cool down before we peel it off, because it could just peel off right with the shirt. So there's other types of vinyl that you can peel them off, a hot peel they call it. You peel it off immediately when everything's still hot. But this one, we're going to wait a little bit, and we'll keep you posted. So lately we've been doing sublimation shirts, which is a different type. The dry ink heats up and turns right into a gas. As the molecules of the shirt open up from the heat, the gas goes right into the shirt, and then when it cools down, the molecules of the shirt just like lock all the ink in. So this is one of our new norm shirts. We probably can't get this over to the States right now, but anybody in the Philippines, you know, if you want this, just get a hold of us and we'll give you a good price on it. Okay? It's still not quite cold, but we're just going to peel it and see what happens. You just want to gently peel this off. Ooh, seems like it did okay. Gently, especially with the little letters, you know, the little letters can be tricky sometimes. But we're doing it. Okay. We'll go into fast forward mode so we don't bore you here. Okay. I'm just going to heat it up really quick one more time. So we like the look it gives when you do it one last time without this, you know, without this protective sheeting, because the pattern of the shirt will come right through the vinyl and it makes it look like just one. And we like the style that it comes out to when it does that. So we'll just hit this up another time for about 20 seconds or 15 seconds. 15. Okay. Yeah, there's our shirt.
Ta-da! All right.
What do you think? You like it?
Yep. I like it so much I want to wear it now, even if it's hot off the press. From this design to this.
Okay, thanks for joining us on our t-shirt making venture. We hope you learned something and you try something. because all of this stuff's available. You can easily get the supplies online or at your local hobby shop. So, yeah, set out to do your own and let us know how it went.
So thanks for joining us for another episode of FilAmstagram. And don't forget to subscribe.
Sending love from the Philippines.